Welcome to another episode of Living Fire. Subscribe now so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Let's get into the video. Socializing with friends is one of the best ways to spend your leisure time and improve your mental health. If you are used to spending a lot of money on the weekends doing fun things with your friends, we are here to tell you that you can still have lots of entertainment without wasting your finances. Developing a saving habit will enable you to achieve financial independence and other important financial goals more quickly than you imagine. After all, you don't want to work so hard only to spend it all with your friends over the weekend. No matter where you live, there are cheap, fun hobbies and plenty of places to visit with your friends. If you are having trouble finding things to do at home or convincing your friends to do things on the cheap, well, this video is for you. Number 1, a dinner party. Host a dinner party and ask everyone to bring a dish to share. If you don't enjoy cooking, maybe try and learn how to cook a new dish together with your friends. There are so many recipes out there to try out, so give one a go and it might be your new favorite. Number 2, host a spa day. Enjoy home spa and bond with your friends even more. Give each other manicures, try out new hairstyles, make some facial masks or exfoliates using natural at-home ingredients, then drink homemade mimosas. Number 3, a movie marathon. Log into Netflix and watch every episode of Stranger Things, or do an 80s movie marathon, watching Pretty in Pink, The Breakfast Club, and all of the old favorites. Don't have a Netflix membership? Get the free trial just for the movie marathon. Prepare snacks and refreshments, and the cozy evening with your friends can start. Number 4, Pinterest party. You know all those cool Pinterest crafts you were planning to do for a long time? Well, do them. Organize a craft party with your friends and make up some of those DIY projects you've been dying to try. It's inexpensive fun and you will have a great time. Number 5, go to the park. One of the greatest things you can do to have fun with friends is to go to the park, organize a picnic, spend some time in nature, relax, restart, and refuel your battery. Watch people and enjoy casual talk with your friends. We promise. You will do this more often than you imagine. Number 6, have an organization party. Help out. Have a fun organizational party. Set up a day of each weekend where you can visit each other's houses and help your friends to clean their closets, rooms, a garage, or garden. Serve drinks and food and trade stuff among yourselves. Number 7, hold a yard sale. After all of that cleaning, why not hang out together and make some extra cash too? Organize a yard sale, earn some extra money, and spend quality time with your friends. Number 8, concerts in the park. All summer long, many parks host free concerts. Go with your friends, hang out, bring snacks and drinks. This is a very relaxing way to chill out on a hot summer night after work. Number 9, volunteer together. Offer to do the yard work for the local senior center or hang out with the kids at the YMCA. Number 10, play board games. Dragging out Scrabble or Yahtzee is one of the most interesting and fun things to do with friends. You can hang out and play all sorts of games with large groups or small ones. Hold a tournament and compete against each other. Bonus things to do at home for free. Number 11, a video game tournament. Not into board games? Okay. Well, how about a video game tournament? Whether it's the latest dancing game or Call of Duty, playing against each other and awarding prizes or food to the winners is one of the best cheap hobbies for you and your friends. Number 12, go fishing. Apart from fishing being an easy hobby, it will help you and your friends learn a lot from each other. There's nothing more fun than watching your friends breaking their rods or getting slapped on the face by a fish. Number 13, grab a ball and a bat and go play baseball at the local park. Grab a ball or a tennis racket. Most parks have courts and fields you can use for playing baseball, basketball, or tennis. This is a great way to spend time with your friends and at the same time do something healthy and good for yourself too. Number 14, go to yard sales. Cruise around your town together and visit a yard sale. You'll have great fun finding cool and interesting stuff. Maybe you could even buy something, fix it, and resell it. Number 15, go to the school play. This might cost a little for admission, but it's a great way to support your community and have a fun time. Number 16, find some cool trails around your town and go hiking. This is a great way to spend quality time in nature and also to bond with your friends. Number 17, go dumpster diving. Yep, you heard it right. Check out the dumpsters in your area and see what you can find. You might be surprised. Don't forget, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Number 18, Iron Chef Night. No matter whether you like to cook or not, this is one of the greatest fun things to do with friends. Visit an Iron Chef Night where you cook dinner out of only the items in your pantry. It's fun and useful, and no buying anything. Number 19, go camping. Besides fishing, camping is also a cheap and fun hobby that you can enjoy with your friends. You'll get to share stories around the campfire and build strong relationships. Number 20, get out the bikes and bike everywhere for a weekend. Apart from seeing the beautiful mountains and dealing with muscle burns, riding has a social side that makes it more fun. The best part is, you won't spend a dime and you'll conserve the environment while having fun. Block time, wear comfy shoes, and prepare for the most fun time that you can have with friends. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about 10 things you can do at home to save money. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.